Hi, and welcome to our tutorial on installing Taleo Connect Client. In a separate tutorial, we've downloaded the Taleo Connect Client application and product integration pack, so now let's go ahead and install. We've got them in our downloads directory, and I'd like to point out, of course, there are two. There's the application data model, and then the application installer. The order of operations here is to install the data application model first. So we're just going to go ahead and double click on it to launch it. We will say yes. And then we have a standard Windows installer. We'll go ahead and click on Next. We accept the licensing agreement. Click on Next. Then it's going to ask us where we want to install. I'm going to deviate here from the standard installation location. And the reason being is we want to compartmentalize all Taleo Connect Client files, programs, and in the future, touch points into a single directory to kind of keep things clean. So I'm going to go ahead and preface TCC as the directory. I'm going to leave product integration pack alone because this is going to be the repository where all of the feature packs and product integration packs live in the future also. So if there's anything new as far as product integration packs, they will be dropped into this or installed into this directory. So now that we've made our change, TCC product integration pack, I'm going to go ahead and click on Next and install. We'll go ahead and take a quick look at what's in there. As you can see, what's an FP file is a feature pack file, and then there's a PIP or product integration pack file. These are all backwards compatible, so as you can see, we've got feature packs for 11A going back to version 7 on the onboarding. But this is what allows for the backwards compatibility of TCC. You'll probably never have to open this folder again, so we'll go ahead and close it here. And now we're ready to actually install the application. So we're going to double click on the application installer. We're going to say yes. Click on Next. We're going to go ahead and accept the terms of the agreement. Click on Next. The encryption key server configuration, this is listed as optional, and unless we have an encryption key server, we're just going to leave this blank and click on Next. Now it's going to ask us where our product integration packs are, which is what we just installed in our first step. So we're going to go ahead and browse. It's going to be on the C in TCC and product integration pack. Click on OK. I'm going to click on Next. Now, once again, I'm going to do the installation so that it falls into the TCC directory. With the Taleo Connect Client, I'm actually going to append the version number we are installing. The reason for this is differing versions of TCC can be installed side by side, and then we reference the executable /bat that's in that directory to do the upgrade. So basically we're just going to put a 19D on the back of this and go ahead and click on Next. Once again, I'm going to put 19D on the back of this because this is the shortcut. I'm going to click on Next. I don't need to create a desktop icon or a quick launch icon. If you feel a need to, please go ahead and do so. Click on Next, and we are ready to install. You'll notice that it's telling us where our destination folder. We're in our TCC directory. We've appended 19D to the end of the Taleo Connect client so that we know at a glance what version it is. And we're going to go ahead and click on Install. Okay, now we're going to actually go ahead and launch TCC just to make sure the executable fires up. And we have gotten to the ping the Taleo product, which indicates that it is successfully installed and we have completed what we set out to do.